si na kama isi ya ga-akwa anwụrụ n'ime ite ka ọ chịchịa ụzọ ya na dinta si gbaa ọsọ n'ime ọhịa, which means that instead of people to laugh at you or instead of this bad thing to happen, you will put in your effort in achieving your aim. The other one is ị ga-adị ike mgba wee gwọba ọgwụ mgba, which means that you will be strong first before applying any jazz. So the explanation to that is you will be prepared first before expecting external help. The other one is ọkụkọ hapụ kwom kwom o jiri gịnị zụọ nwa ya. It means that if a hen leaves the normal sound that they make to call the chick, what would they use to train their chick? So in that case, when you leave the normal thing you are being known for, or you leave your source of livelihood, how will you